Watching videos online is something we all love to do, right? I mean, you can do it from your smartphone these days, or actually wherever you are as long as you have an internet connection, of course. Now, what if I told you that you can get paid to watch videos online? Well, the truth is that you can, because all you have to do is just go to... What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $250 plus or even more by simply watching videos online. This is a worldwide opportunity, totally free to get started with. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me and watch the whole video here. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here how you can earn $250 plus by simply watching videos online. But first, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So that is why it is so important to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information, so you can get started the right way to make money online by simply watching videos. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to make money online, internet marketing, productivity tips, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below, of course. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to have a look at how we can make some money online by simply watching videos. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is basically a new site. I'm going to share with you the link here real soon, but bear with me, we're going to have a look at some details here first so we know exactly what this is all about. You can see here that it says earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos and more. And you can see that they say also that our exciting new rewards program will give you GG2U coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games, answering quick survey questions. You can of course choose to be paid via PayPal, Bitcoin or e-gift cards. Now they have surveys, so you can see our surveys and offerable offers will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry. So a huge 65 to 85%, whereas most of our competitors only pass along 40 to 60%. So they usually have more. Actually, you can earn more here by taking the surveys that they have there. So you can see that sign up now and see for yourself how much more you can earn with GG2U, and will give you a $1 sign up bonus too. I'm going to show you all the details here to sign up also, but let's have a look at what else they say here. You can see that it says easy ways for you to earn. You will be rewarded for things like playing games, answering survey questions, signing up at sites and installing apps. You can even earn extra while you're playing video games and by simply having our videos playing in the background on your phone or computer. It's very easy. So basically, look at this. This is also something that interests us because we can actually earn money by referring friends. By referring your friends, teammates, and clanmates, viewers, and followers to GG2U, and every time we send them a payout or gift card, we will credit your account with 5% of the money for every referral forever. How cool is that? That is passive income, really. Okay, so the more people you refer, the more you will earn, of course. Now here are some frequently asked questions, which I think is pretty important to have a look at also. So you can see here that it is of course free to join, and they do explain once again here what it is. It is actually that you earn the GG2U coins for playing games, taking surveys, watching videos, completing offers from our advertisers, okay? And you see here the video points, of course, also they mention it. So look at this. You can join if you are at least 18 years old, if you are 13 to 17 years old and have permission from parent or guardian. Here you can see that you can also earn silver tokens, and why they are so good to get, because for every 200 video points you earn, you receive a silver token. So each silver token will reward you with a credit to your account balance of $1 up to $3. How cool is that? The payout works really simple. You get credited, and of course you can cash out here. They do have actually, as soon as you have reached $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account, or of course if you prefer to Bitcoin wallet or at Coinbase. So I'm not going to bore you here. You can actually also, even if you are under 18, you can sign up here, but they are going to give you an e-gift card instead of sending you money. The referral program, you can see here, we mentioned it earlier, we will credit your account with a 5% of the value, as mentioned before here. You can see that they also claim that they are legit, so you can have a look at it. I'm going to show you here real soon. Also, I did my research about it. So basically, if I continue here, can you give an overview of how the surveys work? I'm not going to bore you here with these details, because you can have a look at this for yourself actually. You can see that most surveys will take you 5 to 20 minutes to complete, and basically, as I said, there isn't any reason for me to go through this. So if I just, all you have to do is go to the top section here and fill in the details. Okay, so this is the next page right after we have signed up here. We are a very high paying source for survey routers and Offerwall, because we'll usually give you 65 to 85% payout rates on them. Okay, you can also take advantage of our easy to do gaming offers and video offers that have some of the best payout rates in the industry. And of course, we'll credit you $1 for every 100 coins you earn. Once you reach your just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address. So on the next page, you can log into your account and get started earning money, taking surveys, watching videos. So let's continue here. And now we need, of course, to fill in a username and password. And that is exactly what I'm going to do here. Boom. All right, so this is how it looks here, and you can see I've already earned $1 for just signing up here. And you can see that we have a lot of great offers and surveys for you. 100 coins, $1. And basically there is a lot of offer vaults here that you can have a look at. I mean, if I just open up the offer Toro, this is one example here. This is AdSend Media Offer Vault. This is how it looks inside here. Here is the deal and resources. You can have a look at this also. Okay, so here we have the referral section, and this is very interesting because I like to focus on this method here because this is, in my opinion, passive income I can make. So I want to focus on this one because I will earn 5% of the amount every time someone gets paid here. So how do you do that? You can see here, if you have followers or subscribers on Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, etc., you can give them your Gigi to You referral link as a new way for them to help support you. If you're in Gaming Clam or org, you can invite all the members there. So you can see that there is some opportunities. And I shared actually this strategy in the past, so I'm going to show you here how easy you can work with this strategy. All you have to do is just go to Facebook. You can type Make Money Online, type on groups here, and you can see that the first group says 94,000 members. I'm just going to show you here. This is Earn Extra Money Online Income, Earn Extra Income Online, I'm sorry. And they have actually, look at this, 221,000 plus members as I'm recording this video today. Okay, so a lot of people are coming in here and looking for ways to earn extra income. So you can see here that they have tons, there is tons of people who actually post here. So what you need to do is find a good copy here. Be smart with this, okay? Don't just post your link in here. What you want to do is create a link shortener. First, you can do this on bit.ly, bit.ly. Okay, so if you grab your referral link here, shorten this link and you're going to get this shortened link, but you are not going to post your link here, okay? So what you can do is, let me just fire up here and show you an example. Who wants, let's go here, who else wants to earn 5% in passive commissions? I'm just improvising here. I don't know. I could do. I'm just come up with this right now. I haven't anything planned here, and there is tons of ways that you can do it. Okay, put a nice image, for example, and just type 5 below. Okay. So people are going to be active, and actually they're going to be curious, and they're going to type 5. So what you need to do after that is drop them a private message, because then Facebook is not going to ban you. Otherwise there is a chance that they ban you probably, and people are also curious and they will click the link for that. Okay, so that is a cool way. So use your imagination. You can start to post here once a day or once a week. It totally depends on you and your effort here. All right. But this is a super cool way to earn money passively. All right. So keep that in mind. Now you can do this actually with similar sites. I did another video where you can earn money with grab points, for example. You can see here, you can watch videos. We have the Hideout TV, for example. Here you earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. And if I go to the main site here, you can see that people are making some serious money on this site here also. All right, so a lot of opportunities to earn a lot more than just $250 that I mentioned in the beginning. Look at this, 545, 531. If you want to, you can have a look at that video. All right, of course on my channel here also. So that is how you can make $250 plus with GG2U or GrabPoint. Also, if you can combine it, you can earn even more money. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.